guys, today of course we're making something amazing like always, and we're gonna jump right into it. So let me tell you, today we're gonna make sweet and spicy chicken waffles. You're like, what? Yes, sweet and spicy chicken waffles.
Chicken and waffles.
And it's gonna go.
Excuse me.
Huh?
Chicken and waffles.
Chicken and.
Yeah, not chicken waffles.
Waffles.
I've never heard of chicken waffles.
That sounds good. Maybe we could try to do something like that.
No, you're gone too far. No.
All right, jumping right into the ingredients, guys. So for chicken, we have some clean chicken breast right here. We have an egg. We have our homemade green seasoning, guys. Chef Trini's gonna drop that link in the description somewhere.
All right, Chef Trini is.
Chef and Chefette, if you haven't made green seasoning, take a second, make green seasoning because you can use it for everything. All right. So if you don't have green seasoning, you use just the rest of the ingredients. We have onion powder, garlic powder, we have some paprika, we have black pepper, and we have some flour. That's all the ingredients you're gonna need to make that chicken. Of course, some oil to fry it too. So now for our sauce,
sweet and spicy sauce.
Yes, we're gonna need all the ingredients here. We have some fresh pepper. We have Sriracha hot chili sauce, guys. You're like, what you gonna do with that? We're gonna show you. We have some ginger, fresh ginger, everything fresh. We like fresh things. We have some green onions there, some scallions. We have some garlic. We have honey. We have soy sauce. We have allspice. If you don't have allspice, babe, tell them what they could use instead.
Chinese 5-spice.
That's right, guys. And a lemon. You're gonna need half of this. So that's for the sauce. For the waffles now, jump over here.
Go to the bodega and buy some waffles.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You're gonna get yourself a waffle maker to make these waffles, all right? We're gonna use some Aunt Jemima mix, all right? We have, this is what it looks like. We have 2 cups in here. You're gonna need some oil. You're gonna need water, all right, to mix this.
So you saying Lego my Eggo not good?
Listen.
Eggo waffles not good?
I like it. I like your Eggo. I like to like your Eggo.
Oh gosh. Oh god.
And for the waffle pan, you're gonna need some non-stick cooking spray. And that's
what the yeah, you and that Eggo got you carried away.
You got me excited.
Thinking about Eggos.
Now I'm thinking about your Eggos.
I don't have Eggos. I got Huevos, not Eggos.
I try to eat them both.
Let me go.
All right, guys, let me show you what we're gonna do with all these ingredients.
Let's hope you guys hit that like and subscribe button because you know we got another banger. So far what we did was we took our cleaned chicken breast, we seasoned it up with our garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, and salt. We let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes so the seasonings can marinate, and we threw our green seasoning in there. You know we dropping a link to make that green seasoning in the description. So if you're not too lazy, make that green seasoning because it takes your meats to another level. Then after we let that sit, put the same seasonings in our flour, and now it's time to fry these bad boys up. So let's go. We got our egg here, so we're gonna dip the chicken in the egg wash.
Just like that?
Just like that, you know what I mean?
Nice.
I'm dipping a few at a time. I ain't got time for that one.
I know that's right.
Take too long, you know what I mean? Throw a couple in there. Dip it in your egg wash. Put it in the frying pan. Come close, Chef Sam. I was about to call you Chef Trini.
I know. I heard that.
You see that?
I wouldn't have moved. If you call me Chef Trini, I would stay right there.
Something wrong with that? No. Something wrong with me calling you me?
I'm a girl. I'm female.
So guys, you hear that sizzle?
I see and hear.
And guys, that's chicken breast, white meat. It cooks very fast. So don't step away from the fire. Stay here and monitor that boy so you don't burn it. All right?
Alright.
I'm going to put all of these in the frying pan, fry them up. I'm going to show you what's next.
It's time to make these waffles. See the waffle maker right there? See the mixture right here? See the cooking spray? You're like, Sam, what the hell? Yes, I mixed it. I mixed my waffle mix with the 2 cups of Aunt Jemima that you saw. I use 1.5 cup of water and 1/3 cup of oil, guys. Mix it up. And I put in my fancy little pour here. You think it's cute? It's cute, right? Yeah.
Fancy little pour. It looks like a baby bottle.
It sure does. It's extra big for like a baby Huey, right? Like, all right, so our waffle maker is nice and warm.
I smell it. It's hot.
Now take this cooking spray. Make sure you spray the top and the bottom, guys, because you don't want it to stick on either side.
Oh, girl.
Yes. This is so simple. So simple. Watch me now.
So how many waffles do you get out of that mixture?
4. Oh, this?
Yeah.
You'll get about, they're huge, so you'll get about 4 ginormous waffles.
With everything that's in that little baby bottle?
Yes.
Nice.
Yep. Make sure not to overfill this, guys. So once you have everything covered, you close it up. And I'm going to show you something. You don't even got to time it, because watch. It'll tell you when it's ready.
What? Let me come in. I got to see that.
Come in.
Ooh, y'all got to get this fancy.
This.
Y'all got to get this. What's this?
Close this. This is a Bella waffle maker, guys.
Ooh.
Bella. Yes, we closed it. We immediately flip it.
Ooh.
Boom.
What?
Then when it's ready, you're going to see that light up right there. It's going to tell you it's ready. That's it, guys. It's been about 7 minutes. Now let's peek.
7? No, 10.
7 to 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
I know when the light went off.
Okay.
All right, we saw the light. Look, it's lit up blue.
Oh.
Let's take a peek now.
Want me to come in? I'm coming in.
Ready? Dun, dun, dun. Look at
That
this.
looks amazing.
And remember, look how we sprayed it. Look at this. Look how
And
nice.
it doesn't stick.
Doesn't even stick.
That looks like a Belgian waffle.
Oh, it is a Belgian waffle. Amazing.
Oh.
Look at this. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing. We gonna, let, my finger burning. My finger burning. Let me go put this on the plate, guys. I'll be right back. Chefettes, time to make this sauce. Guys, so I'm going to take a little bit of oil and I'm going to tell you exactly. Look at this. Look at this.
What is that?
I'm going to tell you right now. Let me put this oil in here before it gets too hot. Put a little bit of oil in there. You put vegetable oil. If you have sesame oil, guys, you can use that too. Let me lower this before I get pop. And let me throw this in there.
What is that?
This is garlic. And ginger. And then I'm going to tell you about that sauce. I'm going to mix this around for a little bit, guys. This sauce, look how amazing this looks.
What is that?
I know you want to know. You want to know.
Yeah, we've been asking. What is that?
It's the Sriracha hot chili sauce. I put half a lemon in there. I put half a cup of honey. I put some soy sauce. I put some red crushed pepper and some allspice in there. Look at this. Look at this. And water. 2 tablespoons of water, and I mixed it around.
Can you repeat that? Because I don't think we got you. What'd you put in there again?
I put Sriracha hot chili sauce.
Mm-hmm.
I put lemon.
Mm-hmm.
I put 2 tablespoons of water. I put red crushed pepper in there. I put some allspice. I put some soy sauce in there, guys. And honey.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Looks amazing.
It looks, and it smells good too. It smells like it has like a little kick in there.
So what are you doing right now?
So here I'm just like sauteing in a little bit of oil, some ginger and some garlic, right? Then, just a little bit to get it soft. I'm gonna take our sauce and I'm gonna pour this bad boy right in here. Look at that.
That smells so good.
Look at that. Then we're gonna mix this around, guys, until it gets nice, bubbly, and thick. Not too thick, guys. Then I'm gonna show you what to do with this.
Chefettes, I hope y'all hit that subscribe button by now, because this recipe is a banger. So Chef Sam finished sauteing those chicken in the sweet and spicy sauce. The waffles is done. The chicken is done. Now it's time to plate it. Make sure y'all hit the like button. I'm not gonna ask y'all again. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you laughed, hit the like button. Now let's plate this mama jamma. Ooh. Oh, these chickens smell good. Sweet and spicy chicken and waffles. Ooh. Yeah, baby.
Bro, we see some red waffles there.
Yeah. That's mine. That's mine.
That's yours?
Yeah, buddy.
Red your favorite color?
You don't see the fit? You don't see the fit? What?
So you got some waffles to match your fit, huh?
Match my apron, match my hat.
You fly.
I'm super fly.
We should call you Chef Fly.
No. Chef, you gone too far.
I got too far.
You gone too far. Chef training. Guys, y'all see this?
That looks so good.
Yeah. I think that's enough. I'm overdoing it, right?
Nah. Put some more in that red one.
Put some more.
Yeah. That looks so good.
It's overflowing. Ooh, hold on. Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
Spicy?
Yeah, it's spicy. Guys, that Sriracha took this sauce to another level. I think that's good. Nah, that's not good. Never too much. All right. Guys, now I'll take our green onions and garnish this bad boy.
Wow, look at that. I have to come in as soon as you're done. I have to.
Look at that.
I have to.
Look at that. Yo, I can't wait to taste this. I wonder if I could drizzle some syrup on this.
Why not? I don't see why not.
Ooh, I gone too far. You know my cholesterol went to the roof.
I don't see why not. So the red one's yours, the other one is mine?
Yeah, the red one.
Want to drizzle some syrup on mine?
No.
You sure?
All right, guys, come. Show them. Show them. All right, back up.
Wait, no. Wow.
You breathing on my neck. My neck. Guys, that's it. The waffles is plated. I hope y'all make this recipe. I really do. I hope y'all like. I hope y'all subscribe. And I hope y'all drop us a comment.
And turn off that notification bell, too.
And turn on all post notifications. That's it, guys. And we are out.